there guys, my name is Kumar, you're watching me. Let's start this video without having the further delay. So basically in this video I'm going to tell you the routine of 10th July 2024 of the day 248. As you can see in the bottom side, then you can see easily that there is written as day 248. So yeah, I've done the one mistake on the on the day 246 of the video, on the routine of day 246. I mistakenly that was my mistake. I mistakenly told to the said that in video that this video is about the day 45, but instead of day 246. So I apologize to you guys, but you can easily understood. There is in the side the caption, in the caption there is already written that the day 246 of this sequence. So basically this video is about to go into the routine of day 248, and yeah, let's start the stream video. So basically yesterday, maybe I don't know exactly about today, maybe I woke up at around 8 to 9 between am, 8 to 9 am between. So after waking up, I went to the ground floor and I spent the time with my family. Throughout the whole day I didn't do too much thing. I spent my time with family means not family. Yeah, listen, forget everything that I told you. I spent my time with my mother. So basically this is the thing which was actually happened. And after that I didn't do too much thing. I brought biscuit as well as milk, and I started I drink milk, and after that I ate biscuit. I ate biscuit while drinking milk. Basically guys, I think that biscuit is not good for the health, not good for the health, biscuit, I think so. Okay, so yeah, after that I didn't learn too much thing. After that I didn't learn too much thing. Basically guys, something yeah guys. So basically after that I brought my cloth. After that I firstly before drinking the milk I already washed my mouth, and after that yeah, that was the thing which was happened before drinking the milk. And after drinking the milk I didn't done too much thing. After that I brought my cloth, and after that I went for taking the bath, and after that I had taken the bath, and after that I wore the clothes, and after that I worshipped, and after that I didn't done too much thing. I went to the first floor and I started studying, but not studied too much enough. And after that I went to the ground floor, and after that I cooked Maggie, and after that I ate while watching the TV. So basically this is the thing which was actually happened. I hope they'll understand till here. And after that what I had done, yeah, after that I didn't do too much thing. I was at the ground floor. After that my mother came, and after that I spent my time with my mother. After that maybe I went to the first floor, I don't know exactly about it. After that I went to the ground floor, and after that I didn't do too much thing. After that at the time of evening my mother cooked for me banana chips. So after that I ate, and after that I didn't do too much thing. Yeah, after that my mother cooked banana sabji also. Sabji, we can say, so sabji, it seems like the good word if we say that proper sabji which is cooked, but in we can say, according to me I think so, vegetable means which is not cooked. There is different types of sabji, and sabji is also there is different types of vegetable which is not cooked, like onion, garlic, and too much cauliflower, bell pepper, capsicum, too much. Okay, but in sabji is also in the too many different types, but that is cooked. Okay, so yeah, so after that I didn't do nothing. I ate banana sabji, what we call the cooked sabji, what we call the cooked vegetable. That's my question. I'm confused between sabji and vegetable, but I already definite you. I think guys there is something a mistake, so don't take that seriously. Okay, so after that I ate banana sabji with rice, banana vegetable with rice. I don't know exactly about that, so I'm not proper sure about that. Okay, so after that I didn't do too much thing. After that what I had done, yeah, after that I filled water in the bucket, and after that I came to the first floor, and after that I started shooting video. After shooting the video I will study, and after that after doing something I will went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened. I hope you really understand till yet. If you really understand till yet, then kind of please like it, because if you like some videos it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a continuously manner. You know guys, it is now fluently like this such kind of words. Like if you like my video, then it's really motivates me. Okay, so this is kind of activities, and also so this is the thing which was actually happened guys. So this is in my tongue. Okay, so I can speak at any time without hesitating. So basically this is the thing which I have actually learned recently, that not today, recently I learned about that you don't need to think while speaking. You just only in your mouth, words should be out in your mouth before thinking. Okay, so basically this is the thing which I actually wanted to tell you. And let's start today's daily learning 5 or 10 words of vocabulary learning. But today we will gonna to learn 5 vocabulary. But basically guys, in the previous video I already told you that from Monday something will be gonna to be the happen, and I will really, that will really fantastic. I want that you should be curious to know about that. I will share you on Monday. Okay, so yeah, or I can say Sunday also, Sunday evening, maybe in Sunday or Monday I will tell you. Okay, so our first word is VRs. That is ब्रह्म मुहूर्त. हर विद्यार्थी को, कम से कम हर विद्यार्थी को ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में उठना चाहिए. एटलीस्ट एवरी स्टूडेंट शुड वेक अप एट वी आवर्स. ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में उठने का बहुत ही ज़्यादा फायदा है. While waking up at the wee hours, it's really very beneficial. Too much benefits you will get. Too much benefit will get. Okay, too much benefit will get. So our second word is self-confidence. Self-confidence means guys, sit guys, I've done one mistake. I've done the one mistake in this page. That is, I wrote, suppose that this is the 4 line. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 line. So here is written as self-confidence. Okay, so self-confidence, I have to write, here is in this line I have written self-confidence, and the right side I have to write in Hindi, that is self-confidence means Atmavishwas, but I didn't wrote. Okay, I wrote in the second lines in a Hindi sequence. I wrote in the section of courage, where courage, and at the right side I wrote Atmavishwas. I have done the mistake, and I have to but that's not a big deal. I will really very completely I will solve it very soon. So yeah, we have learned only one word. Okay, so yeah, our first word is second word is self-confidence. I will adjust. Okay, आत्मविश्वास. तुम्हारे अंदर आत्मविश्वास नहीं है. You don't have self-confidence. अगर तुम्हारे अंदर आत्मविश्वास नहीं रहेगा तो तुम कैसे आगे बढ़ोगे? If you don't have self-confidence, then how will you progress? Maybe progress is the right word. I don't know exactly what. I don't know exactly about that. The progress is the right word for this example. Okay, but yeah, courage. Courage means third word is courage. Courage means guys साहस. क्या तुम्हारे पास वहाँ जाने का साहस है? Do you have courage to go there? Dedication. Dedication means guys समर्पण. तुम्हें अपना पूरा समर्पण यहाँ पर देना अभी अनिवार्य है. It is mandatory to give your fully dedication here. Okay, our last word is guys humility. Humility, maybe guys it is या इट इज़ विनम्रता, तुम्हारे अंदर विनम्रता होनी चाहिए, यू शुड हैव ह्यूमैनिटी. So basically guys, this is a thing which was actually happened, and I have completed these such kind of words today, and I hope you really understand till here. If you really understand till here, then kind of please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos. So guys, I think it is enough for today, so let's end the video guys. Say Radhe, bye bye.